New equipment alert. This is the A200 with face tracking. Level up your content game. Face tracking so good, it feels like cheating. Trust me when I say. I just upgraded my setup and got my hands on this new HTV Ron auto heat press, and let me tell you, this is a game changer. Plus, and it was on sale. Link in the description. Auto pressure, check. Auto release, yep. Consistent results without double pressing. Finally, I'm officially saying goodbye to my old Cricut heat press. It got the job done, but it was limited, y'all. Small pressing area, and the only thing you could adjust was the temperature. No pressure control, no auto release. It was fun, but it got the job done. Plus, it's lightweight. The other one, man, that was a weight. Man, it was hard carrying that around. That table almost flipped over a few times. This machine has already sped up my shirt production process big time. No more second guessing if the press was even. No more awkward repressing. It's efficient, clean, and perfect for leveling up your hustle. If you've been following along the journey, you've seen the hustle, you've seen the grind, you've seen the upgrades. Like I promised you, I told you. New equipment alert. It only gets better. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for lasting this long in this video. But I'm going to show you the real. I'm going to show you the raw. And like I told you, if you stick to it, determination, and you just have a grit in you to never give up, you'll get there. Y'all, I've come a long way, and this is maybe the third or fourth video. Love you all. Thanks again for subscribing. Like, comment, share. This is it, y'all. If you stick with me, y'all gonna see the grind. Y'all gonna see the passion. Y'all gonna see the hustle. It's only the beginning.